How to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. So if you're facing this problem, go ahead and follow this simple step. First and foremost, open your WhatsApp application and try to select a conversation to send a message. Here, press and hold the microphone icon to record your audio. If it is not working, you have to go ahead and follow the simple step. Check for your Wi-Fi connection. For that, if your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, switch it either to your mobile data. If it is not helping, go ahead and turn your mobile data off as well and turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds. Once it is 3 seconds, disable your airplane mode and try to connect to your Wi-Fi or mobile data once again and try to send an audio. If it's not helping, press and hold your WhatsApp application and go to App Info. Tap on Force Stop and OK. Go to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. Once you do that, your problem must be solved. If not, go ahead and open your Play Store. Here you have to search for your WhatsApp application, so go ahead and type in WhatsApp. Tap on it. If there is an update bubble, simply leave it for an update. Even after update, it is not working, you have to uninstall your WhatsApp application and reinstall it once again. And the last resort will be restarting your mobile device. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.